welcome back to my channel. So today I have been fiending for some pizza. So I decided to make a really quick video to show you guys how I prepare my keto pizza. Now this recipe is super easy. There's no specific amount of ingredients to put on this pizza. You basically are just eyeballing everything. Put as much cheese, pepperoni, topping, the sky's the limit. All you'll need for this recipe is a package of low carb wrap, some pepperoni or whatever topping you like, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, marinara sauce, some crushed or diced garlic, pepper flakes, and some pink Himalayan salt. Set your oven to 450 degrees and let's get cooking. Right, so first things first, I'm going to grab some minced garlic and I am going to smush it in my mortar and pestle just so it can turn into a paste. You want to just smash it out to the point where you don't see the little pieces of garlic and everything basically looks like a garlic spread. All right, so grab a microwave safe dish. I'm using a measuring cup and put the paste inside of the dish. Next, you are going to grab some butter, put the butter inside of the microwave safe dish, and then you are going to microwave it for 30 seconds or less, depending on the voltage of your microwave. This is what it needs to look like. All right, just put that to the side and grab your pizza stone and then your low carb wrap. I am using the whole wheat Mission carb balance. It's only 5 net gram of carbs and 110 calories. Go ahead and put that on the pizza stone and you're gonna brush that with the garlic butter. Make sure that you brush it all over and then you are gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Once that's out of the oven, go ahead and grab your marinara sauce and apply it to the crust of the pizza. Put as much sauce as you like. There is no specific amount. I like a lot of sauce and I try to get it as close to the end as possible. Get your mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it all over the pizza. Don't be shy. As you can see, I am not holding back and I'm making sure I get every corner of this pizza. Go ahead and grab your topping. Today I'm using pepperoni, but sometimes I like to use green peppers with ham or mushrooms. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. Go ahead and add your Parmesan cheese or any other cheese that you'd like on top. Add your garlic powder, sprinkle it all over the pizza. Go ahead and add your pink Himalayan salt. Once you've added that, go ahead and add some crushed red pepper flakes. This is optional, but I love spicy food. Now you're going to pop this in the oven for 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. Why not have a drink while I wait? Come on, pizza. Guys, I'm so hungry. All right, I think it's done. Voila, quick and easy low carb pizza. Let's cut it up and eat. Guys, I'm gonna eat this whole pizza. Guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch my video. Go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions about this recipe or you'd like me to make another keto recipe, I'd be happy to. Just leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I plan to post new videos every Thursday and Sundays. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.